When it comes to computer, whether it is a hacking movie, news, videos or anything, you may have noticed that they always show zeros and ones like 110, 110, 1110 like that. Do you wonder why they show computer related stuff in zeros and ones? It's because computer understands 0 and 1 only. In this course, you will learn why computer understands zeros and ones and how computer convert any values into zeros and ones. Whether you are curious about why computer understands zeros and ones or whether you are a beginner in computer field, you need to understand it well so that you could understand deeply about computer. Next time when you write a programming code, watching a hacking movie, news, read any articles on internet. So discover the values of zeros and ones in computer and master computer number system in this course. Learn everything that you require to master number conversion. Thank you.